Good evening. I'm Meteorologist Anthony Sambucci with the last weather update of 2016. Please follow AnthonySambucciWeather.com. I'll be going to the weather story, but first I'm going to show you some wild weather events that occurred this year, 2016. This is brought to you by the Weather Channel.
2016 is coming to a close, and we're looking at some of the most memorable weather moments of this year. First up, a wildfire that was flamed by a major drought in the southeast quickly grew out of control near the tourist town of Gatlinburg, Tennessee. The flames engulfed hundreds of homes and businesses, resulting in 14 deaths. Winter Storm Jonas was another big story of 2016. It crippled the Northeast back in January, bringing over 30 inches of snow in just 2 days. In Louisiana, the most destructive U.S. flood since Superstorm Sandy was not caused by a tropical system, but from an area of low pressure that dumped 31 inches of rain in just 3 days in parts of southern Louisiana and Mississippi, causing over 70,000 homes and businesses to be damaged or destroyed. Hurricane Matthew was the most destructive U.S. hurricane of 2016. Serious river flooding lasted for days in North and South Carolina, and that was only after the hurricane struck Haiti as a Category 4. And lastly, 2016 will go down as the third straight record warmest year on Earth.
So thank you, Dominica Davis from the Weather Channel. As you can tell, what a wild year weather-wise. From massive snowstorms to wildfires, to blizzards, to hurricanes, you name it. Just quite a wild year that we have experienced here. In many aspects, but weather-wise, quite a wild year. So there was the cold front that moved through earlier today. It was warm. We were in the lower 60s today. That's right, lower 60s. We're talking about the end of December. Really wild. About a week or two ago, we had temperatures in the teens, and now we were in the lower 60s today. I'm a little speechless about that, if you ask me. But honestly, the weather will start to even out, but we are going to see these temperature swings. The weather is going to even out tomorrow, and it's going to be a nice day, but it will be a little chilly. Temperatures in the lower 40s. I'll get to that shortly. But we are seeing these wild temperature swings and wild weather, honestly, because of all these strong low pressure systems that have been moving through the region every several days, honestly. So here is the weather story. Out to the west, we have two low pressure systems, one over the high plains, one over the southern plains. These move into the Ohio River Valley. These two lows move east, and they will try to phase and try to strengthen into one, but not looking like that will happen until it's way east of our area. But still some light snow possible. It looks like rain here for the city, snow to rain for the city, little to no snow accumulation. Right now I'm calling for about 1 to 3 inches through Connecticut, and it looks like about 2 to 5 inches in upstate. But we will have to keep an eye on that for your Thursday. That is for your Thursday. So here it is playing it out on the North American model. Fast forwarding, there is the low pressure system, and there is the snow. Showing rain through the city and most of Connecticut, but well north and west. If you're in upstate New York, that's where I'm headed this weekend. They're going to see snow, and it's looking like good skiing. So that's good to know. And at the end you can see the low pressure system over the ocean really strengthening as it heads north and east out of our area. So there is the forecast. It definitely cools off tonight as the cold front moves through. Temperatures in the lower 30s, cooler north and west. A nice day tomorrow, a little breezy. It will be cold, temperatures in the lower 40s, a mix of sun and clouds. A nice night tomorrow in the 30s, but Thursday we have some rain to deal with. It will be snow to rain, little to no snow accumulation here. About 1 to 3 inches through portions of Connecticut, and around 2 to 5 inches through upstate. That's my call right now. We'll see what happens. And it's going to be cold. Temperature's going to be in the lower 40s, but mainly just snow to rain for our area. So watch and exercise caution for your Thursday morning commute. Tomorrow looks good. Thursday, snow to rain. Friday, it looks cold. It's going to be breezy behind another storm system. As this storm system strengthens, it gets breezy Friday. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 30s. So cold to end the year. And there's New Year's Eve. A nice day, a mix of sun and clouds in the upper 30s. Your New Year's Eve celebration, we could see rain. And then heading into 2017, Happy New Year, everyone. Temperatures actually will get warmer. So we're in the 60s, then we're going to get cold with snow to rain, and then we're going to get warmer. So warm, cold, warm, just wild weather, honestly. So this is the last weather update of 2016. There you saw some of the crazy weather stories that we saw, brought to you by the Weather Channel video. Thank you again to Dominica Davis. Thank you again to the Weather Channel. And I want to thank everyone that has subscribed to my channel, subscribed to AnthonySambucciWeather.com, is following me, Meteorologist Anthony Sambucci. I want to thank everyone. It's been a great year, and let's make 2017 an even greater year. So please follow Meteorologist Anthony Sambucci. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. And if you could please follow AnthonySambucciWeather.com, that would be great. This is the last weather update of 2016. Happy New Year, everyone. Let's make 2017 an even greater year. Happy New Year, everyone. Enjoy the weather.